Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Bathamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat bakanet foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobiying Jongpi.
Presiden marang ba jong ke National People's Party Conrad Kongkel sangma ula Pynbna ba minta kesengi ke arpu santrik unai leber arajar arpu ya uba Taibor Pathaw komu Kyrtong keseng NPP na Mawlai constituency ha ki election MLA arajar arpu lai ya kini Conrad sangma ula Pynbna ha ke jingelang ke balalong ha Mawlai ha ke keseng NPP kala pediang burom ya uba Pathaw komu dukot bapura jong kene keseng La ban kedau bo ba Taibor Pathaw udai MDC jong ke Mawlai constituency ubala job ya ki election MDC ho usnam arajar khat khandai baradin bala job ya ki election ula penyaso yala di syakaseng UDP bat minta pat ula lej ban penyaso syakaseng NPP.
Rumah ke parti di pemerintah. Kini masuk menang bantu semua pihak. Pada langsung mulai belum kita kesan. Jangan ini peluangnya bantu saya ke parti. Yang ngendang keciptan kre nak antara di sistem acara arpola. Haki sauskan kecikan itu jangan. Hawade berkeciptan jangan berkuat ke parti. Apa yang jujur, yang citrakan apa kejela kecumi, nak mentah dan kami yang kebahagiaan yang kejela, nei hak parti NPP ini berkaitan kecitrakan, nak mentah beliau yang kejela kebesut kebesaran kebakiau hakilian baru. Nama masyarakat inokam jomni kesen NPP ibadah apa kejela kecumi. Ini begini mengelang di badan kecil perkat yang kebahagiaan nak mentah kejelang penelang ti yang jelang kejogi makan kir syakmat nama ini begitu mengelang di badan di mesta ban di bapai kemat nak mentah kebit kebiang jauh kejelang kejogi betul lebih pada kiwai di parti di bawah sensial kejelang kejogi hari pun sedang belalainya. Lalu kita bicara mengenai parti kepada susunti tentang saustan ikam di balik maka kalau leher sebenarnya nak sehingga. Nama nanti ia tu ini kepuar hidup PI bagi isu ibaratnya ke parti Islam yang dibawa sisa kecil wala kecil kerana nanti kejadian dia berjoni. Lalu dipai kerana ini ke parti NPP apa kecewa sarkara sama balasnya banwara yang kami KIP resolution apa ke assembly nak minta banwara edalah jeda yang jadi begini mencuba ki parti bas kibar sensial ni kim dan puan berperkat kita kemudian hari ke puan bahkan ke parti kecil keperkat isu belum siap minta kecil anu cepat tak hakami begini lalu dibahas ke puan isu kemudian ini ke parti bersekian berbenci nama benci Intip punya hal dalam cikgu. Kiwai bisa disebut tentang kejekan pokoknya. Henry kim betulan ni kita kam sakamat bangin intip. Hari ini por kadang kejeki boran sekolah pun kita siap pokoknya hidup. Jadi hari ini ke parti komentar belong nak NPP. Layu action ni isu kibalang kejekan tay nak kita jadi pada. Kecamatan pada kiwai isu pada kita parti kesim. Jadi ke government belong nak NPP kesim. Kiwai parti kim sim cukup olehnya menanti dia tu yang bukan dan mereka ini ke parti kamu dan cepat kita kadang kecil pekat nak minta banwara yang kecil kita kecil yang kita tahu kita tahu kesini isu yang pemerintah aktif halu dan kecil yang bapak penting pak kenapa dia penting kamu ada penting kamu yang ke parti kadang kamu pekat semua mentah ini terjadi pada parti NPP kita kesur jongi ketan ini jongi the voice of North East barang NPP ini masuk tenang mengatakan ke parti parti ke ba apa ni sempat judem kani ke parti ke dalam jom ke office apa dari balik ke office apa dari nama bala itu ya kumkan national party yang bagi parti di badan lagi ke tanah ini kimdom kani yang NPP ke bala ko kasih ke jemi ke bala ke jom office apa dari yang ada cikerman bakal kesur nak kita jadi pada berkenaan apa dari finlah yang parti nak jalan kami jemi badan yang kata kesur apa dari dia parti yang Pynbna ya apa kanong kesur nak kita ini nong sok kami itu demi bagaimana kecikan batang pula kan itu Pynbna kecik kesan jombi nak di konstitusi ini sayo yang kecik kesan Mawlai apa kecelah bagi orang terterekam kenapa orang yang kau itu apa kecilan itu serta sama belum ujian kesal barang kena ujian kesal barang sisa kata kecil berkat nak kita merai kecelah kecil dah kecil lah kecil balik sendiri menyekan kia kita menkerti kecelah kecil itu dan jika hari kasnya keberlan arwah dan kawan sisa mulai karena kecil mentai lantas jadi pada ini mampu menang ibapun di parti dulu kami kita cukup tanpa berlihat dan kita mendengar sekali kita sebab ke parti yang pipi ke parti kita boleh sebut dari kepada orang nak kita balik yang tersentuh di jika kami ibarat ini jelas sebab ini bahan Islam arah pulai ibapun kita ke parti kita cuma nak kita mengerti jelas jadi ansalah memperterikan pada kesan kecoki dan yang sisa Mawlai hari ini jelas kecoki pada mundur tak sabsnem ketika parti bobot ikan berada di parti kelas sensial supaya ketika parti yang pipi kecoki si postan kasan sedang mencoba kita dan kecil perkara antara kecil itu yang jelas kecoki nama kita sih isu yang bapak dan kecil kamu datang hari ke parti ini bagaimana kecil kerman nak minta yang akan diri pada kejelas. Bangiskan bala kecil Kyrtong jadi kita kenal untuk parti NPP harus nama cara pulai ingin saya yang kecil sebesar Mawlai ke parti NPP kendai ke parti kepada single lajas hari ini nama cara pulai kepada seksian kum kadang untuk kecil ai yang akan siap yang parti NPP itu diperta
nak kali ke jonga yang solang kamu ke rumah Pynbna. Kita baru kalau way ke semua nama ke discount ini, ni don biji saja. Hai bak Taibor lembah ni lam ni. Saya klub abutin hawar mulai untuk beli pertama ini. Apa ini yang berkumni? Nama orang balik ke Kyrtong dan lagi Pynbna juga. Tersen bala asumsi kino kau yang kau jadi. Kalau baik kajian jauh kamu benar tenso. Kyrtong ini parti wakas berok menipu mesin kau. Nasuh tu lembah di Kyrtong tu lembah nasuh tu bi. Terakhir jadi jadi kau kamu jadi parti kau bala kini parti kau. Kata ada kau yang belum. Ibu kum gerombak dengan kajian jauh oleh parti belum belum. Dan kini jual pak berbuat dengan pak bersama ibu yang besar itu parti berapa? Tangis sekitar dengan itu ibu. Nak kacau jenis berdua kembali. Lampai mengapa kelakuan kuno ngilang beliau 100% dengan urusan mana? Iman kalau kata hakikat yang untuk masuk presiden dulu klaim artin ini yo kayak mana yang macam nomor kamu kasih jalan majority. Kini buat jadi tua yang mulai kenal bahasa unai ini kebut kebor mungkin lah untuk bahasa nama hakikat yang usia dulu nasib presiden. Kasih kan kiu kering baru, pada kapan dia kan kiu lah kering baru aja. Nang bilang menteri lah ya kasih jauh.
Udah sama ramba. Kejingnya lu asli. Yang dia kau taksi. Bagaimana dia begitu orang itu? Kaji ini drive kau dia. Hak sama hatu, ibe toy. Kebetulan gua akan kau nyiapin di sana, di lok keme, di lok apa. Nah kalian juga parti nilai IT hati bakte gua. Kemudian lalu kemudian sisa kata tadi kecil kerana balai dengan suya tu di bawah pulau yang bangan dikerok melihat banyalu pada mak tebor Pathaw kan awal kada ubah kadosan betul nak lontan kadi. Uneu breu don kajabin kapatang tepat. Balik dari komputer dia roh maju. Security services benkom tam dari breu. Bahkan mahajan lu baikkan dia cikun sama kedai basma bandung dai nung breu maksud om yapi kikun sama jadi pembun di bawah om kakti kabansi kathom ya kasat nama kajibom.com Bantala sami kiwe ku Pathaw yang kena private security agencies. Nasib kena agak jelas tu. Tena yang purom na ayah uniu sambarang lah. Ubayo ijingan. Banle hadukan. Daya kata daw purom yang di bakin jid don purom yang aku ada kenal, dia ada kenal UMDC. Dan nak ada dia tu aku tak tidak berit. Hingga tips tapi Mawlai. Saya isya sakhan sakhe. Nang isma. Nak ada belum bangi kinok yang juga NPP. Nisyo jing yung yalam tu. Abang orang nisyo jing pun orang berpersenang dia ini. Kebaan. Berkat nabikat uji besar berdoa kurang juli. Kecil bukan mengaruh bukan mas kebaya bukan. Ngiwan ya kapan. Ya sakilan, ya kecil pediang parti mampi dulu. Ndek pediang parti kami nanti nasi. Pediang parti mampi yang orang ba, hako kakosri yopi. Yawan lang chief minister berdon purom juni national president juni, bak pernah sama. Ngatang keren keren nama tebenang berhasil. Bapak, terima kasih dia. Bapak, ya dolar nanti diperlukan demi hijau di bacikur, hijau baknya, kini diperlukan di sini, hijau di komat, hijau bak kantin, nama Jerman hijau kaki, di bak menteri lah. Kini sudah menjual seperti. Idon kamon ga berjual. Syak keren di suatu stasiun, bapak perstu lah harus tu. Drodur pulau di suatu stasiun, kerana ramai perstu semua bahas. Hakan lokal di suatu. Lagi orang pian idon kena urin ke basket. Ini nanti. Nga nagtuloy hali na stem di ako kaya ngam de ko baduk kali dim sokhan. Sa kren hatu kali. Ni mong mami. Ngom hipla ban ngom. Nga ka stem ka arbe. Na ka buka. Mamakat manantre kata nang sa kawan. Yung so obat yang berbeda. Balik ke kafe, yung so obat yang, ngampung so betul. Sab kapalan mahal, ya uso obat yang berbeda. Ni kamnya ini kebenaran ini uso betul. Berkata ya. Dengan apa yang kau ikut jom kepartian, hanya yang Mawlai. Toya Kyrtong. Ba ne UFDC jompi. U bandeiro u kandidat NPP jongi na Mawlai. Declare. U bandeiro u kandidat NPP na Mawlai tersersi. Sengau bahasan genjot Don Romeo, penjok Don Romeo. Nama bentar lari Ukraina. Ini sekolah apa bos? Ndai bersustain na footpath. Yo accident. Ini sekolah apa bos? Bat ini nyaklang ya kakak. Syabadon kaum kebasnya bat syabadon uplang bajuna ban penkeladur ya konstituensi bat yang kejelang di perlu katakan kuat dan omnibus dengan kuat asupan berdiri ngakin bok cek ruyang yang buka blok ikut jom ke parti apa Mawlai. Gin krop gin pensyam. Ya kipai bah. Bagian aja pensyam. Ya ke parti NPP. Hal ni uarajar Mawlai election kapanuan.
I also would like to take this opportunity to wish Pathaw a very happy birthday. I think some of you know, and some of you maybe don't know, but today is his birthday. And it makes it even more special for us, because on his birthday, he's also been born into the National People's Party. So it's his birthday, and his birth and his entry into the National People's Party. So I give him double congratulations, one for his birthday, and I pray to God Almighty to bless him with good health so that he can work in the future, in the coming years, for all of you, for the people of Mawlai, and also for the people of the state. And I also take this opportunity to welcome him and welcome all his supporters into the family of the National People's Party. Welcome to the National People's Party. He is 46 years old today. He's older than me. But somebody was commenting the other day that, sir, you look much older than him. In fact, they were saying, sir, you look much older than Preston also. So I started thinking to myself, what is it that is making me look older and what is it that is making them look younger? Then when I looked at both of them, I realized the lesser the hair, the better it is. It makes you look younger. So I also decided to get a haircut, hoping that I would look younger. But coming to the serious point, Pathaw is a person who all of you know. From the grassroots level, to important issues that affected the state. But Pathaw has been a man and a public representative who has taken up the responsibility for the people of Mawlai, be it the day-to-day issues that affect the people of Mawlai, or be it important issues like law and order issues that we have. But Pathaw has been somebody who has ensured that the confidence that the people of Mawlai have put on him, he would not let the people down. And I take this opportunity to thank him, to thank his supporters for always keeping the people in front and always not going by politics, but by ensuring that the issues of the people were always addressed. And that is a true sign of a leader. We are all politicians. We will play our politics. But while we play our politics, we must realize that we are here to serve you, serve the people. And sometimes the service to the people must overtake and must be above all kind of politics that we play. That is the sign of a leader. And Pathaw has always exemplified this characteristic in him. And I must once again take this opportunity to thank him for always being there with the government in all different situations and supporting and working with us in resolving the issues. Today is a very special day because of the last many weeks we have seen that a large number of leaders from Khasi Hills, from JK Hills and from Garo Hills have been joining the National People's Party. Today we have Magdalene, who is here, who was from a different political party. But today she has decided to be with the National People's Party. We have Pynbna. We have other leaders who could not join us today, who have decided that we or they want to be with the National People's Party. Friends, this is not just happening because Preston and I or Snowbalam is requesting them to join NPP. Many of the parties are requesting these leaders. But the reason why they are deciding to join the National People's Party is because they see something special in the National People's Party. They are seeing that yes, there is hope for the state and for the people in this party. Because this is a party that has faced many challenges in the last 4 years. This government has had many difficulties and all of you know it. But we have ensured that while these challenges come in front of us, we have not kept Preston or Basnabalan or Conrad's interest in front. No. For us it has always been the state's interest. It has always been the people's interest. We are here to serve you. We are here to work for the people in the state. And that guides us in the decisions we make. In all the challenges we face, lot of the problems we faced. Preston, Masnobha, all my cabinet colleagues, we sat down and we said that no matter what happens, no matter what situation we face, no matter who come and protest, these people are our brothers and sisters. We do not need to use force against them. But we need to talk to them. We need to listen to them. We need to find a solution through dialogue. And that is why in the last 4 years we have seen, no matter what challenges we faced, we have never allowed the law and order situation to go to the level where innocent lives were lost, where innocent people were hurt. And that is why today the faith of these leaders who are joining today in the National People's Party has grown. We are a party that, as I said, listens to the voice of the people. We are not here to bring out the ego of any of the cabinet ministers. There is no room for ego in us. We are a very broad-minded party, we are a very broad-minded leadership. We understand that we can not always be right. We understand that we have to sometimes agree that we are wrong. And we are human beings. We could be wrong. But it requires the heart and the mind and no ego to accept sometimes that we may be wrong. And that is how we have taken the state forward. We have taken decisions that many leadership, with due respect to them, did not want to touch. Why? Because they are scared of the political ramifications of those decisions. We sat down and discussed about the border issue. Many people came to us and told us, why do you want to touch the border issue? Why do you want to play politics and be negatively affected? But the cabinet felt, we were very clear that we are here to serve the people and find a solution. And yes, we don't know what the political ramification is. But if we do not do the job and the responsibility that people have given us, then we will be failing in our duty to serve the people of our state. And therefore we took tough decisions. And I'm happy to tell you that in the coming days, you will see. I don't want to say much right now, but you will see in the coming days many of the pending issues that have been there plaguing the state. People have suffered because of those issues. Many of those issues are very close to resolution. I don't want to name them. Some of them you know, some of them you might not know also. And that is the reason why today, after all these things that we have done, we today have all these young, dynamic, and people who want to do good for the state today joining the National People's Party. And Pathaw doesn't need any introduction. He is a person who believes in the youth. He believes that the issues of the youth can be resolved. He is not a politician who comes and gives lectures and tells you that we will resolve the unemployment problem. He is resolving it. Even before giving speech, he is always resolving the problem of unemployment for the youth. He is an icon for the state. People of the state and the youngsters of the state should learn on how Pathaw has today created thousands of jobs. Thousands of jobs. Imagine if this man is given more power, more opportunities to work in a much more bigger way to resolve the other unemployment issues and overall issues of Mawlai constituency. You can just imagine. Small pressure comes and you run away. I don't want to be that person. I'm too tired. Because you think you're already winning. But when you think you're losing, then there's a very important factor that comes into your mind. And I say it's one of the most important factors in politics and election. And that's called fear. Fear of losing. So I want each of the party leaders of Pathaw and all NPP people to work in election with the fear mode, not with an easy mode. You have to think that you are losing and work till the end in that mindset of losing, because that's when you will go the extra mile. An election is not easy. Election is very tough, all of you know it. So therefore I want each and every one of you to make sure that the fear mindset is there. You should always think you're losing. That is the only way to win an election. And I'm sure that in this election, with all the support that is there, with all of the people who are joining here today with us, I'm sure that we will come out with flying colors, not just in Mawlai constituency, but throughout the state of Meghalaya. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for coming here, and once again would like to welcome all the members of the NPP who are here today, and welcome all the other new members who are joining the party today.